Tammy, do you have a gas fireplace? You have a wood burning fireplace right now.
Both.
So you have a gas starter that burns wood. Okay.
Well, it would burn wood. Yes, I don't have gas logs in it.
Not in there right now.
Not
Okay,
in there
so
right
you
now.
just got like a grate sitting on top of that. Got it. And then I have gas logs in my house that are in an enclosed glass. I'm not even sure how you would get it open. In fact, I'm embarrassed to say that until recently I didn't even know how I would light it, but I found a switch on the side of the fireplace and I just turned it on. So if you have a fireplace and you burn wood, and if you don't burn wood, you probably still need to do this as well. But you need to take some steps to maintain your fireplace. So can I give you a couple tips? We'll spend just a couple minutes.
Sure.
Number one, you need to remove ashes from the firebox after every use. Did you ever do that growing up?
No.
We didn't either. You need to schedule regular deep cleaning sessions. You need to sweep and inspect your chimney annually. I didn't do that. Last time I had a chimney sweep come out, it had probably been 10 or 15 years since I had a chimney sweep come out, and they cleaned it. I didn't burn anything but, gas logs in the fireplace in my old home, but it turns out I had a chimney cap that was leaking, and I should have had it serviced a long time. It says don't make your chimney a primary heat source. It says good idea to get a chimney cap and have one put on. It's a good idea to keep the damper closed when the fireplace isn't in use. And it says burn hardwoods to lower creosote levels. So hardwoods evidently give off a lot less creosote than a softwood. So it says hardwoods such as maple or oak are better for fireplaces than softwoods because they burn less quickly and create less ash as a result. And they're saying that you should consider adding a fireplace insert and hire chimney professionals to handle larger repairs. So I need to make sure I don't have to do anything right now. I do need to have my fireplace serviced, even though it's a gas log, and you're not using yours at all.
No.
So you don't really have any need for doing that.